Okay, howdy everybody. Just a quick note tonight, Memorial Day. Hope you're all having a good weekend. Went to Harbor Freight today. Do a quick video tonight, but maybe try it out as early as tomorrow. Scrounge some scraps out in the garage or something somewhere. We're going to do the unboxing here and look at it and put it together, but wanted to pass that along. Got this welder at the Harbor Freight sale today. This 125 amp model, they told me, replaced the 90 amp model, and it was $89, that super coupon deal in the sale, monthly sale thing, or I could have asked them to price it at the full price and then use a 25% off today only coupon, which might have saved $2 to $3, but I figured, I told the manager I wasn't going to argue about that. But anyhow, put you on pause right now and take it out of the box and put the handle on it and so on and so forth. Open the box at the restaurant where we left Harbor Freight. You know, we're in the city of Joplin, Missouri, where we bought this at, just right next door to us from Kansas. And pause you for a minute here. Figure out how, if I don't lose you. If I do, I'll go ahead and post it and say heck with it. Wait till tomorrow. Anyhow, have a good weekend again. Okay, everybody, back at you. Got it put together. Wouldn't call this exactly a handy dandy face shield, but it's all I got right now. Go back maybe by the end of next month and get the auto darkening helmet. This is, yeah, like everybody says, it's kind of a joke, but the lens is what's the most important part. But anyway, get out there in the garage tomorrow. Number 63583. That's this one. Anyhow, put this on tonight and watch some other YouTube videos. Take it easy this evening. Talk at you later. Bye.